Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, we are sitting at the 50% Fibonacci retracement on the last push up. I do think this is an ABC correction, but we do have to keep in mind that it could stretch out. It could go down to the 61 to the 78% before it actually does start that big move to the upside. Going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely had a pretty strong move up last week, but there's no break of structure, there's no higher lows or anything yet telling us that this wave C trend is over. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. So even on the daily time frame, my last structure level, my break of structure point is right here. Now, if this goes up and breaks structure, then I would be more than happy to start looking for longs, and it might even signify that we are going back up in a big way on the weekly monthly time frame. On the other hand, if it makes 1, 2, 3 waves up on shorter time frames and it pulses down at a Fibonacci level, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely impulsive up right here for sure. Now this is probably still either a wave A or a wave 1. I still think it looks like it needs to make another push down to finish off where it looks like an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, and then I would expect to see another push up for a C, or which would likely go up and reject structure and continue the downtrend, or possibly it really is a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, it's going to blow past that structure and just keep on going. So hopefully in the next week or so, we will learn and hopefully earn whether this is a wave 3 or whether this is a wave C. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement still on this last move down right here. The dollar pairs have been very, very slow for a couple weeks now. Very slow. This move up to me looks extremely, extremely overlapping. And this move down to me still looks like 5 ways down. So I still believe that this could be a wave A and this could be a wave B. We're sitting at the 61% fib. If it makes a nice big engulfing move down at this Fibonacci level, then I definitely would take it as a short. If it goes up to the next Fibonacci level and makes a nice engulfing move down, I would definitely take it as a short. If it closes above the 78%, then I would probably stop looking for shorts, and I would probably at that point know that it was going to go up and take out these previous highs. So definitely pay attention to the 61, 78%. Look for a nice engulfing move down at one of those Fibonacci levels to see if it really does start a move to the downside for the wave C, which I still think should be an ABC of B or an ABC of 2 on like the 4 hour and daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.